So, this is the beautiful lake here, guys. Yeah. So, this is Dunganon Park. And there is a lake here. So, pwede silang magpi-fishing. Allowed sila ng fishing. I don't know. Yeah. This is beautiful. So, dito na naman kami maglakad-lakad ni Daddy Cole. Kanina galing na kami sa kabilang park. So, ngayon, punta na naman kami dito. So, dito yung parking. Yan. Medyo maano kasi sa sun. So, here's another view of the lake. So, tingnan natin guys. Did you hear the water? Yeah. See the lake, the water lake guys. It's coming out from there. So, this is the view. And this is the view of the lake. Yan guys. It's quite good. So, another park. So, there's a butterfly flowers here. Here's another one. Diyan sa baba. Yeah. So, ang ganda dito maglakad, guys. You see? Nature walk again. All these trees. Oh, this is the one that we can see there, Dad. It's quite a big house. I don't know, it's a house or flat. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Diba? Ang ganda. Nature walk. So, ito naman yung lake na, oh. Yan na yung lake. So, nang doon kami sa kabila kanina. Look at the houses there, Dad. It's like a castle. You see the one there?
Yeah.
We hardly see that. We did not see that when we are on the other side. Yeah. So that's the view now on this side of the lake. I thought this is for the fishing, but I think the other one it's open there. Yan guys.
Anglers on.
So continue walking. Diba ang ganda guys dito mag-walk. Very fresh. Actually it's quite hot today. Yan. So ganito, at least dito may shade siya. Hindi masyadong mainit. Yun. Diba? It's my little figure. Guys. It's in the forest. Yes, the itchy witchy spider. Yan, the itchy witchy spider. Look. Ooh. Yeah. So this is the ferry port and wishing well. And so this is the ferry castle. Yan guys. Yan. Here's a ferry castle. Yan. Yeah. Ito naman yung wishing well. Yan. Yung wishing well. So, this is a little Red Riding Hood. Yan, here. Yes.
No, thank you.
This is the big bad wolf, guys. That one. Yeah.
Guess what?
One, the Little Red Riding
Hood.
Hood. This one. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Raider
Renardine.
Renardine. The highwayman. Look. Yeah. Ito guys, he's a bad man. He's a robber man. Nagra-rob siya ng ng people. Yan. He's bad. You see that man there? He robs these people. Have this a coach here. Yeah, he robbed it. Yan. See the one. Oops. So, this is the castle of Pomeroy. Yan. So, punta tayo. So, this is the castle of Pomeroy. Yan. So, this is guys, the castle. This is the castle of Pomeroy. Tingnan natin, ikot natin guys. Yan. Dito yun sa forest. You know. Yan. Oh. Yan, the castle. So this one is Fingal the Giant. Yan. Yan. This is giant. It's a Fingal Giant. Yan. Oh, look how big. Yeah, quite big. What's this? What's this holding? It's a corn. He's holding a corn. So there's a Fingal Giant. Yan. Oh. Look, it's quite big guys. So ito naman, he is a Fent the Giant. Yan, tingnan natin. Yun, it's a Fent Giant. Yan guys, so. Oh, it's quite big one. Yeah. Oh, it's a big one. What's he holding that? It's a flute or something? Fins? Yan, guys. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Fence the Giant. Look at him. He's in the side view. Yeah. Look, he has a wound. Yeah. Look at his feet. You can see his feet, guys. Wow, look at that. Wow. It's quite big feet. Yeah. So this is the Hansel and Gretel. Yeah. This is a gingerbread house. Ito guys, gingerbread house. Yeah.
It's coming to fly.
Yeah. So this is a gingerbread woman.
Yeah, come to the door, you two.
Yeah.
Show me your sad faces. Ronan. Actually, come. Yeah.
So the three billy goats. Grove, that one. There's the three big billy goats. Guys, this one. And that one.
Oh, your horn.
And there's another one. There are three of them. So this one. There's a billy goat. Who's crossing the bridge? You see the other one there? See guys. Yeah. So this is the forest. Pomeroy, Dad?
Pomeroy.
Pomeroy Forest. So we are here walking. So this is the last unicorn. Yeah. So this is the last unicorn. And guys. Yeah. Look at the horn. It's quite tall. And guys. Yeah. So this is the dragon hunt. Dragon hunt. So this is the dragon, guys. Yeah. So ito yung katawan. Here's the body. Yeah. Oh. And that's the tail. That's the tail. That's a dragon tail. Yan. Ito yung view ng dragon hound. Yan. Yan. That's the. Daddy gonna bite you. Yan. So, ito guys. The wizard Ganon. Yan. That's him. Yeah, that's a wizard Ganon. So this is the wizard Ganon, guys. Yan, that's a wizard Ganon.
Hold on tight, whatever you do.
Look at him. See the butterfly, guys. Yep. See the butterfly, guys. Oh. See the butterfly? Look. Look. There's another one. There's another color. See? That's a butterfly. Look at that, guys.
That's right. It could be.
You see the
Actually,
butterflies?
it could be directly opposite. Yeah. It must be Flemish away in the distance.
Yeah.
Where's the ones?
There.
Those ones.
See the butterfly. Fly, fly, fly.
That's the downs.
Wow.
See Ben Bird confused.
What's the down there?
Oh, that's the down. I was wondering why it's
It's quite good. Look, look. It's quite close.
Body over there.
Oh, I see, right.
Mhm.
This should be actually here, shouldn't it?
Wow.
Yeah. So that's
What are you doing?
stuff in here.
Fly, fly, fly.
That was all-
Yeah. Mhm.
It's not been a day like this, isn't it?
It is great.
Wow. Look at this when you open the wings. Wow, look at this.
Really big town, sure, it's not like
Mm.
really a big town.
Mhm. Fly, fly. Look. Oh.
And the man was telling there, I was cutting the grass, he was saying you can go up on that like glass viewing gallery, there's a viewing gallery there. Like for the man's downstairs, like, and you can see 360 of it all.
All right. I've,
And that big grass, there's live concerts in there and stuff. And our concerts and stuff.
You can see the butterfly. Guys. Oh, there's a nice view. There's a church. There's a church, guys. Look. Yeah. There's a church. Quite nice design. See, there's a castle. Only this one left. It was a castle before. Yan. So ito na lang ang natira. Dalawa pala. Ito yung ano. Ito yung isa. Yan. Ang ganda ah. Kaso, di ba ang ganda? Ito na lang natira. Yan. Yan. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Yan. Tapos may konti doon natira. Oh, yan. Yan, castle. It was a castle before. Yan. Ito siya dati guys, oh. Yung the castle. Ayan, yan siya dati.